Now we are all going to tell about nutrition in plants.
Autotrophic. Autotrophic organisms make its own food by using carbon dioxide, water, light or other chemicals. Example plants.
Chlorophyll. It is a green pigment that plants can be used to put during a process called photosynthesis.
Heterotrophs.
An organism that cannot make its own food and depend upon producer. Example human, dog, cow.
Host. The organism from which a parasite takes its nutrient. Nutrients.
Nutrients are substance by use body for proper growth and health for body for function.
Insectivores.
An insectivorous plant or animal eat insect.
Nutrients.
It is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization of the body.
Parasite. Parasite is an organism that lives can host.
Photosynthesis. It is a process by which green leaves prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide and water. Saprotrophic take their food from dead and decaying matters. Example bacteria.
Thank you to all.